The future of technology in business is something that we're really focusing on from a CenterGrid perspective, and you may have read in the recent press release. CenterGrid is in a great position to provide true hybrid cloud to this region, but not only provide that solution, but also to work with the leaders of this region to really anticipate what's next in technology, to convene the best and brightest in the region to not only determine where we're going to go with CenterGrid, but where should the state go? Where should the region go? Where should we go in the Midwest to truly differentiate ourselves? The technical strategy that we are bringing to life for CenterGrid is relevant to businesses because it makes technology that isn't always available to any small, medium-sized business in the region, as well as enterprise-sized businesses. It is based on strategies that have been crafted and created by some of the largest companies in the world, and we make it available to anyone. CenterGrid looks to connect the community with the technology visionaries of this region. That means bringing together the technology leaders of universities, colleges, government, state, local government, the leaders of major corporations, emerging corporations here in this region, to determine not only what is the right approach for CenterGrid to be taking in the future, but what's the larger opportunity for our region? What should our region be thinking about to differentiate our approach to technology here across the state and across the Midwest? I have several goals as the leader of CenterGrid, but it always starts with our employees. From an employee perspective, I seek to introduce the common practices, the processes, the procedures that the largest, most successful companies in the world use today, and to employ those here at CenterGrid. From there, to then, in partnership with the employees, to really redefine what our technology strategy is, to make it available to the companies in this region, technologies that may not otherwise be available today. From there, I look to create an advisory group to collect visionaries in this space to not only determine the direction that we take within CenterGrid, but to envision what's possible from the larger state, the larger Midwest, and to get to that place. I've been described as a passionate leader, as an authentic leader. I'm the type of person that doesn't really see success in myself as much as the collective success of our team, of our group, of our company. The culture of our company is the base from which everything else flows. In CenterGrid, we're looking to really establish a place where people believe. They see the vision, they see the possibilities, they see the advantages that CenterGrid has, and then line up to employ what we do well to get this company and take it to a place it hasn't been before. And in doing that, CenterGrid becomes a key asset, a key enabler to the larger strategy of the region. What makes CenterGrid different is our people and our culture of excellence. It's that culture of excellence in our people that position us well to provide solutions and strategies that otherwise might not be available. They pull from the best practices of some of the largest, most successful companies in the world. And then we take an extra step. We convene the best, the brightest technical minds to consider what not only makes sense from a CenterGrid perspective, but what makes sense from a larger perspective. What should the region be working on? What will differentiate us from a local perspective, from a state perspective, as well as the Midwest?